Marco.
I don't know what this is. I think it's Mercury. Getting some 22s on there. Corleone Forged, Gambino. Brush and chrome lip. Yeah, it's a Mercury, man, marquis. You don't look good. You seen the wheels yet?
No.
Yeah, 22, Gambino.
That's nice.
That's look good, huh?
Yeah, that's good.
Hey, what balance can be? Francisco, the balance here?
Do you really balance? What are you doing, Echo?
Bro, that's all cleaning it. Wax and wax off. Today is Wednesday, September 6th, 2023. Yeah, 6 o'clock, man. As you can see, we cleaning them down. Making sure everything's clean until he rolls out. Yes, sir. Got a Grand Marquis, got the wheels mounted and balanced, put onto the vehicle. He's running 22s, all the way around square setup, Gambino's Corleone Forged. Could have went crazy more on the fitment, man, but that's how he wanted it, so that's how we got him. Maybe he'll come back and we make him 10 wide for him. As you can see, it look good. It's a nice color, I ain't gonna lie. That's what he wanted, that's what he got. It's an all brush with chrome lip. Chrome hardware, 22s. Run you about 4,800, come and get them. Come and get your Corleone Forged. Only at Corleone Forged. Look real good, man. Got a fresh paint job. He's gonna do another paint job on it, apparently. It's a customer saying. So it's a Mercury Grand Marquis LS. So it got some power, you know, power behind the wheels. Finna be burning rubber.